Hi everyone, it's Obina again from Lagos, Nigeria. I want to thank you for making our time to watch our previous videos. So I also want to thank you for making our time every week to watch the 100 Monday show week in week out. So I'm grateful for your time. So for show 41, I'm yet to get back to my sculpture studio, but I have a painting to show for this week. So this is it. I made this painting for my client this week who needs it for her bedroom. So she needed different shades of brown and um, a little touch of yellow and gold to complement the colors in her room. So that's it. I just thought this should do for this week's show. So thank you for watching. Bye.
Hey everybody, it's me, Francis, and it's time for another 100 Mondays. As you can see, I'm still working on Bernini's Mysticism and Death, but I've added some of the blue and the dark blue and the black. It's really coming together. I expect to drop this off February 7th over at Ginger's, or that week. It's going to be a lot more detail, a lot more drapery for that, by the time you see it then. I also will expect to add way more detail in the drapery and everything else. And it's going to be awesome. And hope to see you guys again.